In this video, we'll tell you how to change the country on your Apple iPhone's App Store. This might be because you've moved to a different country and want to update your App Store settings to match. Or sometimes certain apps are banned in one country but available in others. For example, in some countries TikTok is banned. Similarly, in some places the CapCut app is banned. In cases like that, you can change the country and download the app. Anyway, in this video we'll show you how to change the country on the App Store on your Apple iPhone. First, open the App Store app. Then, at the top, you'll see your profile photo. Tap on that profile photo. When you do, you'll see your profile name here. Tap on your profile name. After you tap it, you'll land on a new page like this. Sometimes you might need to confirm your identity with Face ID, so go ahead and confirm that. After that, you'll reach this page, and here you'll see country or region. Tap on it. When you tap, you'll see the country list. From there, pick the country you want to switch to. For example, I'm choosing India. After selecting India, you'll see the Continue option. Tap Continue. When you do, you'll reach a page like this. At the top, you'll see Agree. Tap Agree. After tapping that, you'll reach a page like this. First, you need to add your payment details here. You'll see a None option. It's better to choose None, that way no payment methods get saved. If you want, you can add a payment method, but selecting None works just fine too. Next, you need to enter your address here. It doesn't have to be your real address, you can type whatever you want. But here's the thing, you'll see the state field. You should pick any state. For example, I'm selecting this one. And you'll also see the PIN code field. You need to fill that in correctly too, meaning enter a valid PIN from that state. For example, I'm typing this PIN code. If you don't know one, you can just search for it on Google. When you search on Google, you'll find states in that country and postcodes for those states. Pick any postcode from there and type it in here. Then you need to enter a phone number. It doesn't have to be a real phone number, you can type any number. One thing to note, in some countries phone numbers have 10 digits, and in others it's different. So check how many digits phone numbers usually have in that country. In this case, it's 10 digits. I'm typing this number. After that, you'll see the tick button, tap it. Then you'll see the Done button again, tap Done. When you do, the settings get saved. Now you can see the country has changed to India. After this, when you go to the App Store, you'll get access to the apps available in that country. So this is how you can easily change the country in the App Store on your Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.